Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video we'll learn about Android Studio user interface and we'll get familiar with this user interface. Let's start with main menu. This main menu allows you to do several actions like creating new project, saving project, opening project, and so on. Manage IDE settings, edit the toolbars and other sections, inspect and analyze the code, build the project, clean a project, generate APK files, run the project, debug and the profile, managing SDK, the device and the resources, and so on. So this is a very important menu in Android Studio. The second bar is the navigation bar. This navigation bar helps you navigate through your project and open files for editing. It provides a more compact view of the structure visible in the project window. The tool window bar runs around the outside of the IDE window and contains the buttons that allow you to expand or collapse individual tool windows. Tool windows are panels that offer specific functionality and tools to help developers with various tasks related to Android app development. Commonly used tool windows in Android Studio include Project, displays the file structure for your Android project, and this is what we're gonna learn in the next videos. Run shows the output of your application when you run it. Debug provides tools for debugging your Android application. Logcat displays logs and messages generated by your application. Terminal, an embedded terminal window to run shell commands. Version control integrates the version control systems like Git. Build variants allows you to manage build configurations for different flavors of your app. The status bar displays the status of your project and the IDE itself, as well as any warnings or messages. Searching for specific action. At any time, you can search across your source code, databases, actions, elements of the user interface, and so on, by double pressing the Shift key or clicking the magnifying glass in the upper right hand corner of Android Studio window.